All right, this is 1616, and we are getting started. Now, this is what it looks like when you first begin.
Yeah.
All right, so let's see, this is how these places look before you check everything out. So take a look at this lovely, lovely back area. See how the roof is collapsed in?
Yeah.
That's why I was saying walk exactly where I walk. The stairs are stable. Okay. All right, so this front is good.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah,
you did good.
Yeah.
Because man, when
The
they
front.
clear all this up in the front,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, you're right.
And you see that view from the street?
Yeah.
That's gonna be beautiful. Look at the back of this.
My shoes.
Yeah. Look at that. So don't walk past that area. See, this is what I'm saying, but you got to see past all that stuff, you know? This that Narnia door, you know what I mean?
He said Narnia.
It's like
Goes a
Narnia.
whole new-
Talking about, woo, yeah.
Yeah.
That ain't Narnia. That is a missing.
Oh, we still on Earth.
Yeah,
Like,
you see how the whole thing separated?
Yeah.
This is just decades of just no maintenance, no.
Sitting there and collapse.
It just collapsed from
Nobody
lack of
leave.
maintenance over the course of like 20, 30 years, you know? It probably was a
Trees.
small water problem, and it just kept
Yeah.
growing, and it just,
Yeah.
yeah.
Wood rotted and everything.
Mm-hmm. But look at this view.
Yeah. It's gonna be a big selling point right there, man.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Look at that. That's going to be beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. See the train station. Everything.
Did good.
Yeah.
So you just saw this on the auction and
They-
you came, did you drop by to look at it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I drove by the outside to look at it. But of course, you don't go inside.
Right,
You know what I
of
mean?
course.
Until you get under contract.
Yeah.
But once I got under contract, came inside, saw like stuff like this, and lets me know everything needs to be ripped out.
Yeah.
You know, so yeah. But when you see this next time, all this thing's gonna be empty. You know, all this trash will be out of here. And that's it.
How's Fatima property going?
Oh, she's good, real good. Yeah. This is it. I'm not gonna bother going to the basement on this one. Not in this condition. Because the basement goes down on that side, so I'm not gonna go down in the basement.
That's fine.
Yeah. Watch your step. All right, y'all want to come up in Baltimore flipping houses? Y'all need to know that this is what it looked like to get started. Don't just think about the money. Think about the family that you're going to help. You know? Yeah. It always starts like this with some of these houses. That's it. Look, the door to freedom.
Has to be free.
I was free, boss.